Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm now in England and it's Christmas Eve. I have a new piano here, Roland Go Piano 88. I'll do a review on it at some point, but it was just a cheap one I got local to me here in Essex, and it's going to do the job while I practice before my cruise job coming up in 2 weeks. Today I'm hitting you with Kiss from a Rose by Seal. The original key is G. I'm actually going to sing it down a key or two when I do it because it's quite high. But maybe I'll sing it down the octave when I'm doing it for you today. So the intro is G minor, down to F, and back up to G, but you play the major. I have big hands, so it might be hard for you to reach the full. But you can just take that top one out. I will be playing all four notes. So, and again, and then it says to play E flat and C. Those are kind of optional, I would say. I might do that in the song. Apologies, I have forgotten if it does that in the intro. But anyway, when we go into the verse, we go on G. Yeah, I'm going to sing it down octave from there. So there used to be a green tower alone on the sea. So it's G down to E flat and then F and then G. You became the light on the dark side of me. Love remains a drug, that's the high. So it's twice round to G, E flat, to G, E flat, F and G, and then again, you became the light on the dark side of me. Then we go down to F again, but love remains. Switch down G, but love remains the drug, that's the high. To C, high and not the pill. But did you know that when it snows, that's where we hit G minor. I'm putting the 7 on this time. It's always optional to do the 7. Did you know when it snows, my eyes become large? So that's E flat to F again. My eyes become large and the light that you shine can be seen. Alright, so that's your first verse. Let's do it again. There used to be a green town. Oh, sorry. There used to be a green town alone on the sea. Here we go. You became. Very hard for me to find that note for some reason. You became the light on the dark side of me. But love remains the drug, that's the high kind of pill. And did you know when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can be seen. Alright. And then we go into the chorus. Baby, I compare you to an E flat, F, and G. We've seen those 3 chords before. Here we go again. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. What were those 2? That was nice. Let's do it from the start. Baby, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you, we're going to F. The stranger it feels. That one there is F sus4. Instead of the 3rd, you play the 4th. More I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. Another way of playing a sus4 chord, as I've discussed before on this channel, is to play the chord from the tone down. So we're in F, and the tone down will be E flat. Because that also has the 4 in it, you see. There's the 4. And if you play E flat, you're hitting that 4, you're hitting also the 9 if you're in F or the 2nd, and you're hitting the dominant 7. So it is a different chord, it's a different way of playing the sus4, very different. You're hitting the 7 and you're hitting the 2. And it doesn't always work in every song to play that way, but we're going to try it here. The more I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. Kind of works. More I get of you, the stranger it feels. way, stranger it feels, yeah. Or stranger it feels, yeah. You can hear it's a more colourful way of playing the chord, and it definitely adds some extra stuff in there, some extra sonic, what am I talking about? Some extra sound. Either way works, so that's nice. And now that your rose is in bloom, that's E flat to F. And again, a light hits the gloom on the grey. Alright. And that's from the intro, remember? G minor. But it only does it once that time. There's a little instrumental. No, ignore me. It does say times 2. So twice. Let me try and sing it up the octave. Now this might be a disaster. Prepare your ears. Here we go. Verse 2. There's so much a man can tell you, so much he can say, 'cause you remain. Ah, I always do that. That needs to stay on G there. 'Cause you remain. My power, my pleasure, my pain, baby. It's like a combination that I can't deny. Won't you tell me, is that everything? Did you know when it snows, my eyes get all light, the light that you shine can be seen? Okay, not bad. Let me go through it again because you have seen it before. It's the same as the first verse, but G, there's so much a man can tell you, so much he can say. E flat, F, G. And again, you remain. Remember to stay on, remain on G. You remain. My power, my pleasure, my pain, baby. It's a feeling like a competition that I can't deny. Same again, E flat, F, G. Won't you tell me, is that healthy, babe? Did you know when it snows? I did a little bit with the F and G together there. Because I know it sort of sounds right with the vocal. And if I was comping this song while someone else was singing, or maybe when I'm singing it and playing at the same time, I can do a little bit extra, you know? Not too much, but you can always add a few extra notes in. So where are we? My eyes become large and the light that you shine can't be seen. I always thought it was can be seen. A light that you shine can be seen. I always thought it was can, but it must be can't if it says it's can't. Now I'm going to have to listen back to it again. Alright, chorus again. Baby, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the blue. E flat, F, G. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger. So that's all on G there. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. I actually think I prefer the other way of playing that chord. The more I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. In this song it really works. Now that your rose is in bloom, alright, it's the E flat to F on the grey. So this song, a lot of repeated chords, yeah? E flat, F, G, E flat, F, G. We've got that in the chorus. F sus, which is E flat over F in this case, I'm playing, to G. Now, we're going to go to the bridge. Now the bridge goes to B flat and C over F. Or at least that's what it says here. I don't know if I'm actually going to use those, because again, I don't remember this part very well. If I don't remember hearing B flat and C there. But that's what it says on Ultimate Guitar. I know this part is difficult to do because it's overdubbing, yeah? So So it's like in a round, and he's going over and over. He's going, I've been kissed by a rose on the grey, I've been, and he's doing it sort of in a round. So it says here, the first progression is played here. That same one that you've heard before. So G, E flat F, E flat F, and G. And then we go to that I've been, as I just said. So F, I've been kissed by a rose on the grey. I've been kissed by a rose on the grey. So yeah, it's difficult to do, as I say, because when he says grey, he sort of comes straight back in with I've, and I can only sing one word at a time, you know? But we'll try and sing it anyway. So that's F, and then C over F, and then C with C in the bass. Kissed by a rose on the grey, kissed by a rose on the grey, kissed by a rose on the grey, kissed by a rose on the grey. And you keep going like that. So as I was doing there, it is possible, and when I play with the band, hopefully we can get a rehearsal in before we play, because that will be the tricky part of this song. Okay, it's done 4 times. On the last one we aimed on G instead of F. So I've been kissed by a rose on the grey, to lead you back into the verse, so that it transitions back. I've been kissed by a rose on the grey. There is so much room I can tell you, so much even say. Okay, same chords again. You remain my power, my pleasure, my pain, baby. To me, like a contradiction again and now. Oh, won't you tell me, is that half the day? Beautiful song, beautiful lyrics. But did you know, when it snows, my eyes become larger? My chords are cut off there. Well, I think it was G, wasn't it? G minor? But did you know, when it snows, G major to G minor, my eyes become larger and the light that you shine can be seen. Very good. Baby, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grey. That's the chorus again. The more I get of you, the stranger. Don't forget F sus, here is E flat. It feels, yeah. And now that your rose is in bloom, the light hits the gloom on the grave. Without the bluesy ending, because that would just be silly. But that is the song. Kiss from a Rose. Hopefully I helped you learn the song. I'm sorry about the confusion there with B flat and C, wasn't it there? Where is it? Where is it? Somewhere in the middle. I'm going to listen back to that part. B flat and C. The bridge adds 2 more chords. Oh, I see. It's the way he's written that. He's just letting you know that there are 2 new chords coming. Doesn't necessarily mean that B flat and C are played there. That's where I was confused. So the bridge adds 2 more chords. If you actually just read it, then I wouldn't have made that mistake. So, note to self, read the words. Okay, the first progression is played before the singing begins, so it's just that standard G, E flat, F, E flat, F, and then we come in with the bridge. I've been kissed by a rose on the tree, I've been... That's the tricky part. Okay, yeah. Hopefully it did help you to learn Kiss from a Rose. Next up, should I do this one? I Want It That Way by Backstreet Boys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please click like and subscribe. There's more videos coming. You can always leave requests below. If you're joining me again and you've watched other videos on the channel and you're enjoying it, thanks. I'll keep them coming. Yeah, I think I'll do this one. I Want It That Way by Backstreet Boys. And so I'll see you for that one, which is coming up right now. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye.